Welcome students, 12th standard biobotany third chapter, major types of mutation.
So listen, here they given the basis of classification and major types of mutations and major features. Okay, basis of classification means mutation. Okay, mutation it occur by what, where. Okay, then major types of mutation. எங்கெங்கெல்லாம் mutation நடக்கும், எந்தெந்த செல்ஸ்ல எந்த இடத்துலலாம் mutation changes நடக்குது. The major features. What is the features there? After the mutation, what is the result of that? That is what features of that mutation. The first one, origin. What is it? Origin. Origin is what? Spontaneous. Spontaneous means it can origin itself. It can origin itself. That's what spontaneous. Spontaneous automatically அதுவா உருவாகுது. Okay, that is what we cannot make it any mutation. Any other agencies are not cause the mutations. It can form itself. That is what spontaneous. Then occurs in the absence of known mutation. Occurs in the absence of known mutation. Absence of known mutation means நமக்கு தெரிஞ்ச mutation agentsனால அது நடக்கல. Okay, that is what absence of known mutations. It occurs in the absence of known mutation. Okay, that is what spontaneous. Next one, induced. What is the meaning by induced? It form, it make it to form. Okay, it make it to form the mutation. That is what induced. Induced na உருவாக்குதல் அல்லது தூண்டுதல் அப்படின்னு சொல்றது. Here it occurs in the presence of known mutation. நமக்கு தெரிஞ்ச அந்த ஏஜென்சி வச்சு என்ன பண்றாங்க, mutation உருவாக்குறாங்க. That is what occurs in the presence of known mutation. Then cell type. Okay, cell type, which is the type of cell, it involves the mutation. Makes here they given the both somatic cell and also the germline and cell. Somatic cell means we know very well. It is a body cells. It is here. It is not involve the reproductive cells. It occurs in non-reproductive cells. That is what somatic cells. That is what body cells. Then germline cell. Germline cell means what? It occurs in reproductive cell. Germline cells, gamete cells. That is what? Gonads. That is what? It occurs in reproductive cell. This is what? Cell type. The cell type, somatic and germline. Somatic cell is what? Is non-reproductive cell. Germline occurs in reproductive cell. Then effect on function. Effect on function. See, if it is happen the mutation, what are the effects on their functions? First one, loss of function. Function it lost. Okay, normal function it lost. See there, knockout or null. Knockout means what? Totally they cannot do any function. Otherwise null, it stop all the original normal functions. See that eliminates normal function. Normal functions are eliminated. It eliminates all the normal function after mutation. That is what loss of function. Next one, hypomorphic. Hypomorphic. What is a hypomorphic? So hypo means reduce normal function. Okay, here the loss of function. Hypomorphic is what? Reduce the normal function. Okay. Hypermorphic increase the normal function. Hypermorphic what? Increase the normal function. Hypomorphic reduce the normal function. Hypermorphic increases the normal functions. The next one, gain. Gain of function. Gain of function means what? It get the function. Okay. That's what ectopic expression. See, expressed at incorrect time or inappropriate cells. Doing the function, that function it is not in time. Okay, it is not in the time. For example, we have a breakfast in the morning, but we don't feel hungry. So that when we are feel hungry, we are feel hungry after 11 o'clock in the morning. After that lunch, we feel in the evening 3 o'clock or 4 o'clock like that. It's functioning, but that function is what? Incorrect time. It expressed at incorrect time or inappropriate cells. Inappropriate cell means it is not a correct cell, the wrong cell is taking the function. Okay, so these are the effect on function. So the mutation, after the mutation, this is what is happening, the result of that mutation. Okay, the first one, loss of function, eliminates normal function. Then hypomorphic means what? Reduce normal function. Hypermorphic means what is it? Increase normal function. Gain of function means what expressed at incorrect time or inappropriate cells. Okay, so these are the